Ipsan, the biggest SME expo in Argentina. The event takes place in San Martín, in the province of Buenos Aires, Argentina, the national industrial capital. The district produces over 10% of the gross product in the province and leads the production recovery of all the greater Buenos Aires area, concentrating over 14 of SMEs in the region. Ipsan is jointly organized by the municipality of San Martín and the Cámara Económica Sanmartinense, which congregate enterprises in the district, making Ipsan the most significant event in the region. The expo takes place in Parque Irigoyen, located in 25 de Mayo Avenue and General Paz Avenue. Its area over 46,000 square feet in size and its strategic location allow access to the expo through several entry points. The conference lasts 4 days and features over 600 participants from the industry, commerce and services sectors, and it is visited by more than 200,000 people. Ipsan is an opportunity to promote products and services, gain new clients and build commercial relationships in both national and international levels. Round of Business. The Round of Business takes place in a separate chapter within the Ipsan Expo. In itself, it creates a business opportunity. The International Buyers Round of Business featured Brazil, Chile, Colombia and Peru. It included auto parts, plastics and furniture and fittings. It also included participation of local enterprises from other districts such as Almirante Brown, Lomas de Zamora, Avellaneda, Lanús, 3 de Febrero, Vicente López and Tigre. Through the meeting held, new contacts were built and the participant companies closed several sales in their respective departments. Local Round of Business. Previously arranged meetings were held among local companies in the following departments: foods, plastics, machinery and industrial goods providers, thus generating sales and real content for closing deals among participating companies. Data is obtained from technical surveys filled by all participants and the business meetings, allowing an evaluation of their relevance and initial interest generated by the Round of Business. Presentation and live shows characterize the expo, with the presence of prestigious and renowned artists in addition to the Queen of Industry pageant. Over 135 media outlets and live broadcast to all Argentina. Supply and demand. Initiate contact with potential providers and clients. Obtain information about your sector. Introduce new products. Consolidate the relationship with regular clients. Start new business. Identify solution for your company. These are just some of the advantages of taking part in Ipsan, the biggest SME expo in Argentina. To participate in Ipsan, send inquiries or request information. Call 005411 for 830-0348 or 4830-0349 or visit www.ipsan.com.ar.